Sup everybody, Logan here from Crypto Videos, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gorth token. Now the Gorth token is based off of a Matt Furie character. Now Matt Furie, created Pepe, the Boys Club, Brett, Andy Landwolf, Mind Viscosity, the Night Riders, all sorts of famous Memecoin characters, all sorts of famous comic books. There's tons of Memecoins paying homage to his characters that he has created, and he has written a new book that has tons of characters that are now being turned into Memecoins, like the very popular Bucci token, which is trending number 2 right now on Dex Screener, and the Gas Cat token trending number 3. Now, the Gorth token has a $1 million market cap and is trending number 24 in the Ethereum section right now. And this is based off another brand new character from Matt Furie. We're going to talk about this meme coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is gorth.vip. Over there you can find info, tokenomics, roadmap, how to buy now button. They have all sorts of social links and chart sites. So they have a Telegram, Twitter, contract address, link to Uniswap, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX Tools, and Etherscan. This token is also on Dex Screener, as I mentioned earlier. And it has a picture of the comic book that features Gorth, and it has a tweet from Matt Furie himself talking about the Gorth character. Now it says Matt Furie's new book called Cortex Vortex features a new character he made prior and posted on his official Twitter. He also mentioned the new book via Instagram, and there is a link to that Instagram post on gorth.vip, as well as the tweet that you can go check out as well. And tons of artwork featuring this character. They have like 10 different pictures. You can click on see more and see different ones as well. And there's also Gorth on OpenSea. So this is most likely, so this is the Zogs NFT edition by Matt Furie. So Matt Furie himself posted an NFT collection featuring all sorts of characters. And one of them is Gorth, and you could see that in Matt Furie's OpenSea. Looks like it says buy it for 0.012 ETH. Which is what, 29.80 or something USD right now. So you could check that out on the webpage there. And so tokenomics, total supply. There is a lot of tokens. Looks like 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. It says no tax. Simple as that. LP tokens burned. Contract ownership renounced. They have a roadmap starting with phase 1, the fun begins, spread the memes, community builds, phase 2, 100,000 holders, and phase 3, take over the meme universe. It's kind of like a meme roadmap, just like the Pepe one. So how do you get this token? Well, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could download a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, or Coinbase wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or you can get a Chrome extension on your PC. Now, you would then fund your wallet with ETH. Now, you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH. You'd go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap. And then you would trade your ETH for the Gorth token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, gorth.vip. You could also find a link to Uniswap on there as well. And you won't have to set slippage because it says 0% buy and sell taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees though. And there is an email if you need to reach out, contact@gorth.vip. Now, if you want to follow the Telegram, it is @GorthCoin, and it says the Telegram portal featured in Matt Furie's new comic book, Cortex Vortex. Let the darkness take control, and you could preview the Telegram channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, new partnerships, token listing announcements, memes, you name it, and the Twitter as well. I'm going to put a link to their, or post the picture of their Twitter there in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project at GorthCoin on X. They just joined Twitter May 2025. They already have 1,394 X followers, 151 posts, so they're very active on these socials, blue verified check mark, and they also have a community that you could join as well that has 278 members on the X community. And wow, it looks like Twitter's working again. For some reason, Twitter was like not showing posts today for some reason, and now it is back. I saw tons of people complaining about it. It wasn't working on my app, and now it is back. So there's all sorts of crazy memes and pictures of Gorth. If you want to scroll through their Twitter, you can see all sorts of cool artwork and pictures. Now they have 2,298 holders so far. They've had over 30,800 transactions. There's 18 decimal places on this token. Now this token pair was created 12 days and 19 hours ago on Uniswap, so it's a fairly new token, under 2 weeks old, but just today it started trending a lot. It seems like the narrative for at least today is tons and tons of Matt Furie characters. We got Bucci number 2, we got Gascat number 3, Barry's number 5. I just posted a video on the Zeus token, Matt Furie's dog. That one's trending number 6. There's a different Zeus token trending number 7, Rado's trending number 8, and so on and so forth. If you just scroll through Deck Screener in the Ethereum section, it is just filled with Matt Furie meme coins today. Dark Wolf's another one. That one's number 20. I did a video a long time ago on Dark Wolf when it came out. But yeah, they're basically taking over the whole Ethereum section today. This token has a 24-hour trading volume of $439,000. Very popular project. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about Gorth? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.